I love pets, believe me. Oh, freedom. Oh, freedom. Oh, freedom. Oh, I guess I'm the only free one out there because I ain't getting nothing yet. I'll be before I'll be a slave. I'm going to be buried in my grave. I'm going home to my Lord and be free. Oh, freedom.
Y'all better sing.
Oh, freedom. Oh, freedom. Oh, me. Give them my hand. And before I be a slave, I want to be buried in my grave. And going home to my Lord and be free. Let the family get in here. Let the family get in here. Thank you, y'all. Oh, freedom. Oh, freedom. Oh, freedom over me. And before I be on a slave, I want to be buried in my grave. And going home to my Lord and be free. They'll be shouting. They'll be shouting. They'll be shouting over me. Wanna see my show about that? I ain't sure. I'll be. What happened? I'll be buried in my grave. Everybody stop too quiet over here. I see who brought the church out here. Come on now. They'll be singing. They'll be singing. They'll be singing over me. And before I be a slave, there you go. I'll be buried in my grave. Hey, where you going? And I'll go to my Lord and be free. All right, one more time, like we trying to get off the flag here, just for two. Come on. Oh, freedom. Oh, freedom. Oh, freedom. Oh, me. And before I be a slave, what happened? I'll be buried in my grave and go home to my Lord and be free. Hallelujah for freedom. Thank you, God. I say, get your game. We got one more game. Bless up for being free. Bless up for gathering y'all. But say, we be
Geechee.
We be
Geechee.
We be
Geechee.
90 people. 90 people bless up. Her name is known. One, Gullah, mean people blessed by God. So if anybody here ain't want your blessing, please drop them underneath this tent. You got a true blessing from God. I need you to come on, bring them forward like we did in church. Walk forward, throw them right. Leave the donation. And I sure take all the blessing God can give me and more. Now, one circle. So y'all stretch out a little bit and let these folks who hide behind that tree, because the victim of spirit, come into the circle, please, y'all. And I know she got the baby, so let her be in that shaded spot with the baby. Please, y'all, because some of y'all trifling. Y'all will push her right in the sun with the baby. Okay. Now, This your day. You bless up thing for see all 100 children. You better bless up thing the other evening when I look on the thing and it done with say 405 people were there on it. And next thing I go up on the thing says sold out. I said, well, great God, let me throw some more ticket on it. So I go on in and throw some more ticket on it. I thought this morning I'm going to see sold out because midnight, 1 in the morning, I been up till 2 something this morning. And people still in a game. That day I look, Geechee Famlee, Geechee Famlee, Geechee International Music and Movement Festival at the next set in Brooklyn. And I said, praise the Lord. I said, they're almost late, but they ain't quite late. They get them in, right? So, y'all see why they did now? Don't say that all queen keep up on the shit by itself. No, this the dance floor. So later, y'all remember the song? No parking, baby. No parking on the dance floor. Alright, so if your bookie can't dance, don't be underneath this. Don't bring no chair, just in a wheelchair, and you can spin around either. Because otherwise, security, move them off the dance floor. No parking, baby. No parking on the dance floor. So that's why, just like in the joke joint, I don't let her slide now, but she done block them now, move over this way. Nyla, thank you. For the air. Don't stand in front there. That ain't for you. That's for the dancers and the monkey on top. Okay? Y'all see we trying to get y'all leaving a shame this year, ain't it? So who been there for Family Day last year? Okay? Who been at Family Day when we been at American Beach in Florida? Who been at Skeeter Beach? Oh, yes, I know you been. I know you been there. You ain't mess with Skeeter Beach yet. I thought you been to bring the Skeeter with. Hold on. You ain't been there so much. And if you got parking for, don't let them loose up, y'all. This ain't the Skeeter Beach. This in Telna. We ain't need that Skeeter. Send them back up to the creek, yeah? Okay. So yeah, we going to Skeeter Beach, tell for all the 100 children who ain't know about Skeeter Beach. That there in Charleston County, South Kakalaki, off of James Island. And it's been a historic town that we people been founded there. And they used to have plenty juke joint and all kind of things. To the point where they tell me in the Yeddi, 1,000 of we used to be out there on Saturday. I said, y'all story. He said, no, for truth, Queen, for truth. I said, stop story. He said, yeah, 1,000 people. I said, we all had them at park. They said, on the walk down the road, they would park, and then they would walk in you. And I said, okay. I did my research, that ain't the truth. So I tell them, I said, look here, I ain't gonna do Family Day, yeah, till we reach that number. And right before COVID, had the same thing happen. I had 450 tickets on it. It sold out in like 3 months. I had up to 700 tickets. That sold out in a month. I put up to 900 tickets. That sold out before we got there, and 1,000 people showed up to Skeeter Beach. And I tell them I ain't be coming back in the morning. They start to cry. I say, I owe one of my word. I tell y'all I ain't gonna have you until I reach that record. We don't reach that, I go right home now. Then COVID comes, said, oh, we won't get down, I'm going for you. And so, I say, okay, Lord, we've been going to Georgia for 1 weekend. Rona said, said you won't get down. And I said, yeah, Rona, we gonna let you go. This your time. I said, but you wait till we get outdoors, yeah. I would be just like them boys say, we in the front yard. We in the front yard, give me. So we in this front yard, y'all, but to Town Island, my home island, and Beaufort County, South Kakalaki, praise the Lord, hallelujah. You're right, y'all. Where the Gullah Geechee be? Y'all see that sign where y'all get to the island, say the seat of Gullah culture. Y'all see them in it. Y'all see them go back, clean out your eyeglass when you're going back across the Chowan Creek Bridge. So we're so glad to have you here, Funson Town Island in Beaufort County, called beautiful Beaufort by the sea. And part of that beauty is just how we look out there scenically, but in part because of we. And it's a blessed up time for all the 100 children to come here and join me. So we want you to have a good time with me. Don't be stuffed in, all kind of thing like that. Even if your pastor there out here, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? If you preach about you on Sunday, stand up and say, amen, pastor, we had a good time, ain't it, pastor? Because if the pastor there out here, he can't say nothing there. You've been in the front yard. Okay? Because he been in the front yard, too, ain't it? Okay? Because I got some pastors who coming now. One been on there 1 o'clock in the morning say, Queen, I in the church doing renovation down here in Florida. And Lord, I'm trying to get there. If I could get my armor bearer for drive me, I go get there. Because otherwise, I said, please don't drive yourself. Don't fall asleep on the road. And Lord with you, but don't temper. Please, yeah? Okay. So right now, we always start off with we. We honor our ancestors. But first, we honor God. Always. You can't be people of God and not honor God. So like I tell one last year, for them who ain't been here and ain't watched Gullah Geechee TV and CYC, I can tell you now. If you call yourself a nigger, please step out the circle. Because you can't be a nigger and Gullah Geechee. You will pick one. I hope you pick the right one knowing what the word Gullah means. Or she's stepping out with the baby. Leave the baby. Walk around the baby. You picked the wrong time for step out, sister. We will teach you better than that. Okay, I lay hands on her later because I ain't sure. She said, there ain't the reason, but that in the wrong time. To make a move, she got my back and turn. I got eye back here. So, nobody else leaving? See, I left for all of y'all? Okay. So, the truth, I'm very serious about that. For them who don't know what the word nigga mean, it means a lazy, shiftless individual. Now, what Webster had defined, not me. And that is the book, The Buckle to Leave in, Webster. So now, if this is having a lazy, shiftless individual, where you going to get millions of lazy, shiftless individuals from their continent, their countries, their kingdoms, their queendom, for people for? Where people for? For out the Gullah. Anybody know? Anybody got an answer? Make money how?
Free labor.
Or for free labor? But who gonna do the labor? Who?
The niggas.
The shiftless one? The one they call niggas? How that work?
It wasn't lazy.
There is a cancellation effect.
Right.
Now you can't be lazy